Law of segregation. Sickle cell anemia is a classic example of a disorder with recessive Mendelian inheritance, in which each parent contributes a mutant recessive allele to an affected individual. Sickle cell anemia is inherited in an autosomal recessive pattern. Let us see how it occurs. Here, an unaffected carrier parent with one copy of mutated recessive gene HBS is crossed with another unaffected carrier parent with a mutated recessive gene HBS. Here both parents are carriers and they do not show signs and symptoms of the condition. Each parent produces two types of gametes, HBS and HBA. Here also HBS and HBA. And when HBA is paired with another HBA, we are getting an unaffected individual, a normal individual. And when HBA is paired with HBS, we are getting a carrier as a parent. Here also same thing happens. That is, when HBA is paired with another HBS, a carrier is obtained. The two carriers are produced. And when a mutated recessive allele HBS is paired with another mutated recessive allele HBS, one diseased individual is produced. So the resultant ratio is 1 normal, 2 carriers and 1 diseased. That is 1:2:1 ratio. That is, the alleles of the parents segregated randomly into gametes to get this result. Test cross. Here, purple flower color is dominant over white flower color. To find the genotype of a purple flowered parent, it is crossed with homozygous recessive white flowered parent. The genotype of purple flower is unknown and it can be either capital W, a homozygous 1, or capital W, small w, a heterozygous 1. Let us see what happens in this cross. If you are crossing a homozygous dominant purple flowered parent with a homozygous recessive white flowered parent, all progenies will have purple colored flowers. So if all progenies are purple, unknown parent have a homozygous dominant genotype. Now if you are crossing a heterozygous purple flowered parent with a homozygous recessive white flowered parent, half of the progenies will be purple flowered and half will be white flowered. So, if half of the progenies are purple and half are white, then unknown parent have a heterozygous genotype. So this is a type of breeding that reveals the genotype of one parent based on the ratio of the offspring observed.